Let's take a quick look how to save the preset on HDA. So for example, I multiplied all the parameters, then I want to save it. So I click save it. It will save all the parameters as a JSON file. Later, if I want to go back to that parameter, I just load the preset or import. See? To take an example, this is a tree processor that the users can use this tool to process a tree and make the leaves to a sphere normal. It's for rendering purpose, so that's not important. The important is that the users like to modify those parameters, but after that, they want to save it, and next time they want to exact the same parameters. So I develop functions to save the preset. First, there are two buttons. One is to save the preset, another is to import the preset. And this, if the artist or the user want to specific JSON files, they can put the path here, so it can load the specific ones. So the function is like if there's nothing here, the tools will recognize this. It will save the JSON file to this path. It will use this path as it will use this path, and this is one as the file name, and it will create a JSON file. For example, if I click Save Preset, and I can go to this file directory. I can go to this file directory, and it will automatically create a JSON file. It's called something like that, and we can take a look. So here is the preset. This is a preset name. So you can see the parameters name, file path, and it creates a file path. Another one is that you need to pay attention is the parameter ramp. After I click this button, the Save Preset button, it will going to run these functions, Python functions. So you can take a look, write parameter in JSON. So here, write parameter in JSON, it will search where to save the preset. So here to show how to save it, if there's not if the Python cannot search anything here, it will create the path directory. Use this one. So, and first of all, it will try if this directory exists. If not, it will create one. Here is to create the output path name. Here is the loop. This loop is very important. This is the trick how to save all the parameters in the JSON file. In short, it's just loop all the parameters and save the parameters as a directory. Okay, let's see if it can import the preset. Because we already write a JSON file to save these parameters to a JSON file, so I just click some not important and we import it. See, it will automatically rewrite all the parameters, use that JSON file. Another thing I made is to use this one to search all the JSON file in this directory. Let's take examples. So I made some presets here. I just copy this into here. Here the users can search, can find all the JSON files they want to use. For example, if they want to use this one, they can just load it, import it. And maybe he want to save the JSON file, just save it. It asks you if you want to overwrite it. If you don't want to overwrite it, it will automatically create another JSON file, use this name and in this directory. let's see how to make this function. Let's see how to make this function. It's here. To this is use how to say menu list. Or you can first of all you need to go to here. Here's the menu. I search the normal minimum. Normal minimum is means it just this down list. There's this icon and there's a down list here, and it will call this function. This function will return a list of JSON file. And after I click the one of them, it will call this function. This function is just to add this file name to this directory. That's okay. We can go to and take a look. Build menu. See, here's the iteration. Here's the loop. All the file paths in this directory, and return a name list.